And I look forward to seeing you again, although I hope not too soon.
Sana'y di mabalik ang dati kong araw ng munti pang bata sa piling ni Nana.
Si Gina De Venecia, misis ni dating Speaker Jose De Venecia, sinabing naroon si Cory sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng kanyang buhay nang mamatay ang kanyang anak na si Casey habang nasusunog ang kanilang bahay.
Ngayon pong kayo ay nasa langit na, kapiling ang ating poong may kapal, ang ating inang si Mama Mary, at ang inyong mahal na si Ninoy. Pakiyakap po ng mahigpit ang aking anak na si Casey. Please tell her that I miss her and I love her dearly.
Si Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim na nanilbihan noon sa ilalim ng Aquino administration, nangakong isasabuhay niya ang mga natutunan kay Cory.
Para sa amin, ikaw na ang pinakamagaling, pinakamahusay, pinakamarangal at pinakakatapat na presidente ng Pilipinas. You are the best, President Cory.
Matapos ang kanyang pagbibigay pugay, sinaluduhan pa niya ang kanyang Commander-in-Chief. Lagi rin daw inuuna ni Cory ang mga Pilipino.
One day in Arlegui, when Jiggy was a small kid, he saw a jar of chocolates. He asked, "Lola, do those chocolates belong to the Filipino people too?" President Cory smiled and said, "No, I bought them for you." Only then did Jiggy open the chocolate bar to take a piece.
She takes care of people around her, no matter how big or small. She treated us not as mere employees, but just like a mother preparing food for a son after hard day's work.